Hello students, today we will learn the basic shading technique over here. The first technique is your hatching. So this is done from diagonal direction. You can see over here. We'll write the techniques also. Hatching, cross hatching and smudging, these are the basic three shading technique. It is done from the crosswise also and vertically as well. We'll see this particular cube and fill this over here. We are imagining the light source coming from the left side to the right one. Okay, and this is how it should be done over here. Similarly, we'll same apply to the circle as well and convert that into a sphere by moving from diagonal direction. We'll learn how to draw cross hatching also. Cross hatching also done in the same way by making diagonal lines, and diagonal lines again drawn from the other angle also. And this is how we have done according to the light source from the right side to the left. We have made it dark to light. You can also make strokes at the end to make it more prominent, and this is how it should be done. Similarly, we'll see it on the top surface as well, because light source is very bright on the top surface. It is kept very light. Same we have applied on the circle and converting that circle into a sphere. You can make it dark and all. Then we'll apply smudging also. We can change your pencil from 2B to 4B. Over here I'm using 4B pencil. You can see the technique of smudging here by making it constant on both the edges and making it very dark. Move the pencil constantly in one direction or in many directions. You just need to smudge. Similarly, you apply onto the right surface in the same way. You keep applying that. Apply on the front surface as well, the top surface over here, and give some border line also. Same, we're going to apply it on this oval shape in which we have taken the light source onto the right side, and then you can do the border line. See where the light is falling. Look at the length of the shadow. It is falling according to the light source. Similarly, we will apply it over there as well by making it smudged over here, and we can see the smudging is happening from the left to the right side. Then you can go in the same direction also in the same way by making it dark to light over there, and see how it's been done. Look at the light source. According to the light source, we have made the shadow as well onto the left side. Make it dark onto the edge and then keep it light toward the left side. Now we'll see the technique of applying them onto an object also, and we have got a lampshade over here. The same hatching technique is applied over above. The same is applied onto the front part of the lampshade, in which we are going with the flow of the line. Look at the flow of the line over here. It will become light in the middle and then dark on the right side. That gives the 3D feeling. The same you apply as a cross hatching also in the bottom side by making a curve. Then go in the same direction diagonally and then move in the other direction diagonally. You get your cross hatching over here. The same applied cross hatching onto the middle part as well by making it smudge and then cross hatching. Then we'll apply smudging over here by making it dark to light, and you can see the shading, how the shading is done. It will start looking a very fine shading over here. Then you can apply in the bottom also. Give the bottom shading as well.